My fellow Nigerians, for too long, our nation has produced graduates without jobs, workers without dignity, and youth without opportunities. Every year, millions enter the labor market full of dreams, only to find doors closed. That is not a failure of the people, it is a failure of leadership. Our economy has been treated like a game, controlled by a few, while the many suffer. But an economy that works for only the rich is a dead economy. Real progress begins when the ordinary Nigerian can feed his family, pay rent, and sleep in peace, not when the billionaires buy new jets. We must rebuild the foundation from the ground up. We will move from consumption to production, from import dependency to local creation, from unemployment to innovation. The future of Nigeria will not be built in oil wells. It will be built in classrooms, factories, and farmlands. Every local government must become a hub of productivity, where youth can work, create, and grow. We will support small businesses, the true backbone of our economy. We will invest in agriculture, digital technology, and renewable energy, not as slogans, but as engines of real job creation. Every community must become an opportunity center. We will reform taxes to reward productivity, not punish survival. We will make credit available to the creative and the hardworking. We will make vocational and digital education free for all young Nigerians. We will ensure that your talent, not your connection, determines your progress. Job creation is not just an economic policy, it is a moral duty. Because a nation that cannot employ her youth is preparing for unrest. A country that kills the dreams of her brightest minds is digging her own grave. Our economy must work for the market woman in Aba, the welder in Kaduna, the teacher in Oshogo, and the coder in Lagos. When Nigerians work, Nigeria works. This is Nigeria's turn to make work a right, not a privilege. To make prosperity a product of fairness, not favoritism. To build an economy where no citizen is invisible. We will not promise wealth to the few. We will promise work, dignity, and fairness to all. The sleeping giant of Africa must finally rise. Not because others wish it, but because we built it. This is Nigeria's turn to work and to prosper.